You're most welcome to our free online school, SkillBridge Institute. This time around, we'll be discussing about work breakdown structure. A work breakdown structure, it is a chart on which all the tasks of a particular project are written down. So it breaks a bigger project into smaller deliverables. That is done for better organization. There are three key questions which are answered using a work breakdown structure. Number one, it talks about the major deliverables of a project. From there, it talks about tasks on each deliverable. Then it talks about individuals who are supposed to learn those different tasks. For example, you are building a house. You may have deliverables like erecting the foundation, walls, as well as finishing the interior. The importance of a work breakdown structure, number one, it clarifies the tasks and the scope of a project. The other one is that it simplifies the complex tasks of a project. Resources are effectively allocated using a work breakdown structure. It is easy to monitor a project when you have got a work breakdown structure. It is easy to identify risks early, even before they occur, when you are using a work breakdown structure. Components of a work breakdown structure are as follows. Number one, you have got the overall project at the top. From there, you have got major deliverables. Major deliverables are supported by the sub-deliverables. How do we create a work breakdown structure? We do this one by number one, outlining the deliverables of a particular project. From there, you try to find out the milestones which you're supposed to accomplish at each and every stage. So those milestones, they act as phases. So on phase one, you've got a milestone which you're supposed to accomplish. Phase two, you've got another milestone. From there, you also talks about the actionable tasks which you're supposed to do for you to achieve those particular milestones. Then you have got team members who are supposed to do the tasks of that project. From there, you finalize and review that particular project. Let's talk about best practices during a work breakdown structure. Number one, you need to focus on deliverables, not activities we should be doing. From there, it is supposed to be simple and clear. So you need to use simple English so that everybody can easily understand. From there, you need to follow the 100% rule. That means each and everything that is supposed to be done in a project, each and every task is supposed to be included. That is 100%. You shouldn't leave anything else outside that particular WBS. From there, you should also use a template. So a template can be a document from the past project, but which is similar to your project. So that one will act as a guide on your project. Let's talk about challenges when creating a WBS. You can have got overlapping of tasks. So that one can be solved by regularly reviewing your work breakdown structure. From there, you can have missing details. So for you to avoid those particular missing details, you need to define tasks clearly. From there, you can have a problem where the work breakdown structure can be too complex. So on this one, you should try your best to simplify your work breakdown structure. Here is an example of a work breakdown structure. So this is how you can write a work breakdown structure. So for example, this one it is for house construction. So the overall project is house construction. From there, we have got major deliverables on house construction, like the internal, that is dealing with the interior of a house. From there, you can have foundation. Then you have got the major deliverable of exterior. So the tasks on external, on this particular major deliverable, the tasks or the sub-deliverables are electricity. That means inside your house, you need to put electricity, as well as you need to do issues of plumbing, that is putting toilets and pipes. That is what you need to know. From there, on major deliverable, that is foundation, you have got sub-deliverables like excavation as well as steel erection. From there, on this one, that is external, you have got the tasks or the sub-deliverables like doing the mansard work as well as finishing the building. Then you see that each and every task has got responsible people. For example, on electricity, you have got electrical contractor who is going to do that particular work. On excavation, I've got the labor crew. On building finishes, I've got painting contractor who is going to finish that particular project. So this is how we write a WBS. Thank you so much. See you in the next lesson.